Normally in a restaurant you just have a bell for when the servers are ready to collect food from the kitchen. So as Route 66 is slightly different, I thought I'd build something for Nick for his birthday. First of all, we take one Parrot and reprogram it electronically. We then encase the Parrot and put a motorized version of Nick on the front of the box. We then build one plastic rubber breast. This contains a remote control and bell, which will then send a signal to remote control Parrot and motorized model of Nick. When said nipple is pushed from the kitchen, it will then send a signal to the motorized Parrot, letting the servers know that the food is ready for collection, like so. There's also a variety of sayings to let the servers know, to keep them on their toes.